again from our logistics corner. We learned a lot about sorting optimization in the last video. So today I'd like to introduce a solution that monitors the progress of items through your production or delivery process.
Once packages have been sorted, the Intelligent Warehouse Solution IWS is an easy way to search for and track goods moving around the facility and in the warehouse. Thanks to the camera and software technology, it will track a package throughout its journey with regular photo images and know when and where a parcel went missing or was damaged. On arrival at the beginning of the system, an item is scanned and optionally X-rayed, and its data entered automatically into a tracking server. Then, whenever an anomaly occurs in the process, the system user has full intelligence on its movement and can pinpoint in minutes, rather than hours, where the issue occurred. This vast reduction in investigation time means many more can be carried out and customer satisfaction is improved. The IWS allows companies to reduce insurance costs and improve processes to reduce levels of lost or damaged parcels.
That is an important and effective solution. Please get in touch with us if you'd like to visit us here in Munich. You are always welcome. Stay tuned about intralogistics in the next video.